Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Balik tayo sa winter jacket. Kasi lumamig everyone eh. Oh yeah. The weather for today is 4 degrees. Mamaya, pag uwi ko, yun, saka mainit. Pag may araw na, yan, saka hindi ganitong kalamig. Nagtitiis lang ako. Pag suot ko yung maninipis, kaya kailangan yung ganito talaga. Today is Wednesday, April 9 everyone. And ayan, dito tayo. Let's have some 15 minutes walk and one bus everyone. So good morning and maayong buntag sa tanan. And happy days always. And ayan everyone. Winter ngayon, winter. Kaya kailangan ganito yung suot. So I'm comfortable now. I'm free. Nakita nyo yun, may tumakbong asong malaki. Diba? Hallelujah. Ayun na. Okay, everyone. See you later. See you when I see you. Good morning, everyone. Kain tayo.
Ganda lang. Gila tayo. Lagi na si
Yan. Good morning, everyone. Time check. 9:55. I'm going home. Lakad na lang tayo for our exercise. So, that's it. Ayan. Ayan yung yung dito tayo after ng before the traffic lights maggawi tayo sa kaliwa para okay lang. So kasi kanina sunny day pero malamig. Yeah, malamig. Grabe. So eto na naman si araw. Ang haring araw ay malamig. Buy at the moment everyone. Ayan everyone. Kain tayo ng lechong paksiw. Si Nanay Oat. Quaker Oats. Instant. Kasi feeling niya daw busog pa siya. So, while watching Philippine News sa TV Patrol. Good afternoon everyone. It's 3:15. Pasok tayo again. Jubilee line tayo. See you after 2 trains everyone. Medyo maaga ng 1 hour. So that's it at the moment everyone. Ay, dito pala.
This train terminates at
Train na ako everyone. It's cool cold, grabe. What is the weather? 16 naman. Ba't ganun? And sunny din. My second train is coming, everyone. That's it. And that's it. Like, look, it's sunny day today. So, today is Wednesday, isn't it? So why they had a lot of people there. And, it's windy, that's why it's cold, even though it's sunny day. Yeah. See you later at the work, everyone, or after the work. Bye at the moment. Malamig. Magtutupi muna ng mga nilabhan na trapo. Kahapon ko nilabhan yan, pero iniwan ko. At gusto ko matagal ang laba para malinis. Good evening, everyone. May buwan tayo ngayon, no? Pero hindi siya bilog. Tabingi. So, ito, ang mga puno. Magkakaroon na ng dahon-dahon. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ayun. Merong ano sa taas. May landslide, oh. Ano nangyari? Yan lang, everyone. I'll see you later na. Pag kumain. Ay, wala pala kami ngayon dinner. Ayan.